Meet our wonderful family of siblings, Shafaq, Nabil, Ashal, and Arisha. Today, they're gathered together in their cozy home to learn a very special lesson about something that makes our hearts and relationships grow stronger: gratitude. As the family sits together during their special family time, their parents share a beautiful teaching from our religion. It's a hadith from Abu Dawood that tells us, "He who does not thank people does not thank Allah." This powerful message reminds us that showing gratitude to others is deeply connected to our gratitude to Allah. Shafaq, the oldest sibling, shares her personal experience with gratitude. She tells how her math teacher stays after school to help her understand difficult problems. She says, "I always make sure to thank my teacher sincerely for spending extra time helping me." This reminds me of our hadith. By showing appreciation to my teacher, I'm also showing thankfulness to Allah for providing me with such a caring mentor. Nabil then shares his story about his beloved grandfather. With a bright smile, he explains how he helps his grandfather learn to use his new smartphone, and in return, his grandfather shares wonderful stories and wisdom from his life. I always thank my grandfather for sharing his experiences with me. His stories teach me so much about life, and I'm grateful for every moment we spend together. Ashal, one of the younger sisters, talks about her special bond with Arisha. She explains how they work together to keep their shared room neat and tidy. When Arisha helps me organize our toys and shares her favorite dolls with me, I make sure to thank her. Even though she's my little sister, showing her gratitude makes our relationship stronger. Little Arisha, the youngest sibling, shares her sweet way of showing gratitude to their mother. With enthusiasm, she describes how she thanks her mother for preparing delicious meals every day. "I tell Mama thank you for making my favorite foods, and I try to help her in the kitchen. She works so hard to take care of all of us, and I want her to know how much I appreciate her." Together, the siblings reflect on what they've learned about gratitude. They realize that the hadith teaches them to be mindful of the kindness they receive from others. They understand that expressing thanks isn't just good manners. It's a way to strengthen their faith and their relationships with both Allah and the people around them. This beautiful teaching shows us that gratitude is like a circle of blessing. When we thank the people who help us, care for us, and show us kindness, we're also thanking Allah for placing these wonderful people in our lives. Remember, every thank you we say to others is also a thank you to Allah, making our hearts and our relationships more beautiful.